Good evening. The Chairman, Human Rights Defenders and Access to Justice Advocate Center, our legal department, co-comrades and viewers. I am Queen Mrs. Olushola, live from 93 Allen Avenue, Ikeja branch. We bring to you the update of a case of child abandonment and neglect reported in our office by a neighbor who alerted the office of a girl child called Success, which human rights called Success the Great. On last week weekend, where this case came to us, where we were told that the guardian of the child abandoned the child, neglected the child fell sick at the point of death, and we cannot hear such story and fold our hands watching innocent child suffering for a sin or an offense of an adult. Went and picked the child, rushed her to a hospital where we spent hundreds of thousands to sustain her, and thereafter she's discharged, though she's still referred for other medical checkup. We are still on that. The supposed father of the child, which we have finally confirmed that is the father of the child, Mr. What's his name? Mr. Edward Kweso. That is a Ghana name, it's not Benue name. It's an Edward Kweso from Ghana who came to this office to give us his own side of the story, that he is the biological father of Success the Great, that he was married to Success' mother, who was believing God for fruit of the womb. Thereafter, she conceived, gave birth to Success the Great, and she fell sick, and she could not survive the sickness. She later gave up ghost, and she died. Him as a father have no any adult with him, living with him as a dead. So he don't have any other option, and he don't want to release the child to orphanage because he wouldn't know how they would take care of the child. So he decided to take the child and be taking care of the child himself. But little did he know that because he lacked knowledge on how to take care of child, he was doing his so little best. Then decided, because the pressure is much on him, taking care of a child of 1 year, 4 months, and coupled with his own work, he needs to do something to survive and take care of the child. Then considering where he's working and how meager money he was collecting and how he would take care of the little child, he decided to hand over the child to Mrs. BC Dairo and bargain with her that, please, because you have children and you are a mother, I believe you can take care of this girl. Can this girl be with you while I paid you for her upkeep? They both agreed. First, it was 10,000. Thereafter, Miss BC complained that the 10,000 was not sufficient for the child upkeep, which Mr. Paul increased to 20,000, right? To 20,000 naira. And according to his statement, even both in our office and police station, that he was paying the 20,000 until October. It's only October, no, August. It's only October um, payment that he was owing Mrs. BC. That all the while he has been paying the money for the child upkeep into her account. And little did he know that Miss BC has not been taking care of the child. But he lost the gap, the communication gap came in when he traveled out of Lagos for a job, and on their way coming back, he had an accident with his friend that traveled with him. I thank God they survived, but he was not sound. And that was when the communication gap came in between himself and Miss Bisi Dairo, who is the supposed guardian of the child. Um, the long story cut short, of course, we cannot just listen to all the story just like that and believe like that. Then he went further to inform this office that after the birth of the child, he took sent the mother of the child to Ogun State, where she was administered orthodox nursing, which is tradomedical, which is herb, and unfortunately, she did not survive. And because they were the only one in Nigeria, Ghanaian family, he contacted the family of the wife, and they told him, since you have no money to bring the corpse home, we'll give you the right, the permission to bury her in Nigeria. And that was how he buried Success' mother in Ogun State. I'm not feeling sleepy. I'm not tired. You listen to me if your eye is not working very well. I'm very fine. It's the internet that is blinking my eye. I am not sleeping. Sorry. Thereafter, well, we all know that come what may, we cannot do investigation ourselves. We can only listen and send the case to the appropriate authority to do their proper investigation, which is police. I just first and foremost want to commend the area commander, Area F in Ikeja here, and Supo Esther, who is the OC Human Rights Department in Area F there. They did wonderfully well. They did perfect job. Where the case get to them, they swung into action, get every other person involved, both BBC, both the Mr. Paul Coisin, the lady, what is your name again? Frida, and every other person to have their proper investigation conducted. They were all in their custody. They have to go to the Mr. Paul's house, where he claimed to have lived with the late wife for the past 4 years, where the woman conceived, where she gave birth to Success. They went further to the hospital, even went to Ogun State for proper investigation, which they did, and returned back and confirmed that Mr. Paul was actually married to Success' mother, gave birth to Success in the same house he's living to this moment. But along the line, the woman died due to what is it called, her health challenge. And some of them told the police that there was a time Mr. Paul was backing Success, that they have watched him several occasions backing Success on his back, as matured as he is as a father. That what they understand, that the man know that he lack a manner of how to train the child, but he is not experienced as a man. One, he equally need to work to take care of the child, and is the reason he took Success to Mrs. BC to take care of. That the error is not from her, but from Mrs. BC. So at the end of it all, they have been released today from station. All the investigation have been done successfully by the police, confirmed also by us, and they decided to release them and to reconcile with Success. And Success is going to be with us for now, for proper upkeep. Hence, he did not even have any adults or any wife around him to take care of Success. So we are going to have, he's a tailor, he's from Ghana, and some of you know that most Ghanaians, they are good in tailoring, in hair, and all that. But we are still going to study. We are going to bring him special and the Success out after we must have got permission and instruction from the chairman on what to do per time as regard to that. But for now, Success is still undergoing some treatment, and he needs to be put in the proper health condition before any other thing. So Success, they have signed that Success will be in our custody for now for proper upkeep while he come visiting and support in his own little way until success gate of age where they feel they can be together. This is the summary of this very case of child abandonment and child neglect. Please note, for I understand that most parents don't understand that you can be arrested, sent to prison, jailed by abandoning your child. Child is a child, and child have right to life, right to proper upkeep, right to education, right to feeding. Name them. And some of you that feel you claimed that children, because you gave birth to them, you can do and undo to them. You cannot do and undo to them except until they become of age to defend themselves. For the minors that cannot defend themselves, this office stands to defend the rights of everybody, most including the teenager, the minors, which are the children. So the reason of sending these people, locking them up from that day to this moment they are being released, is nothing more but the abandoning of sources, neglect of sources, and also to inquire properly the biological parents of sources. So I should not come out from what's it called, a hospital, and fall victim of such a act again from anybody, including the father. Even if success is put in anybody's custody, it is the responsibility and obligation of the biological father to keep checking on her day to day, time to time. Everything is not money. Even if you are providing the money, something there should be understanding, bonding, acquaint with your child, and let the child know that she has a father. Not having mother and not acquainting with you as a father is not also proper. So please have it at the back of your mind that anybody can still be arrested, detained, and also sent to prison if you abandon your child. All right, thank you very, very much. We are going to release our account number for those of you that is asking for account number. I'm going to write it and send it there and pin it there, and that is it. We'll have them in the house. And my telephone number that you can reach is 090 08033024550. 08033024550. Please, Success the Great is her name. You know, we have one Success. There is a Success Junior, which is the senior, who is the boy. I don't know, it's only Success why all the children were respected. Their name is Success. We don't know why they are all Success. Now we have Success the Great in the house. Since the Success have choose to be coming to us every time they have issue. Okay, they are back. Let's ask them little of their little experience. And thank you very much. Who posted it? Please share. How did they say good evening in your language?
Moadre.
Mora.
Moadre.
Bawadre.
Moadre.
Mawo Adre. Okay, how are you, sir?
Fine, thank you.
I say you are fine. Are you really fine?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you enjoy this?
It's part of an experience to man.
Abi,
Yes.
at least if you are, even if you are jailed for success, at least it's your daughter,
It's my daughter, yes. Ma'am.
right?
Yes.
Okay, tell us, how did you feel? Even though you had a bad experience, that you were locked up, you were detained, you were stressed and everything for the sake of your child, what did you need to tell this office?
The only thing I'll tell the office is that I'm very happy.
Okay,
And God will bless everyone in this office.
amen.
God will really bless everyone in
Amen.
this office.
Amen.
For rescue me
Okay.
in this situation.
Okay.
So I really thank God
Okay.
for everybody in this office.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank God. Okay, madam. You are laughing. I see that you wear 5 clothes. Is that what you have been wearing inside? You are feeling cold. Okay, no fit hit inside. If you hit inside, say, come feel cold outside in my office. All right, that is it. That is it. That is it. We'll have them on Saturday in a house where they will be paying visit to. He will be paying visit to success for the first time since that no wahala. That is life for you. Risk is to be taken by anybody. Can take risk for your child, take risk for your wife, take risk for your husband, take risk for your mother. You know, when you said you have a liver with kidney problem, I thought you would have fainted it. I don't know you can sleep in that cell and you are still alive, can't look fine like this again. Like say, sir, fit you. You want to go back? Eh? Frida, do you want to go back?
No, so tell the viewers I'm not success for me.
Frida say I should tell the viewers that she's not success mommy. No problem. So, success is our daughter. Everybody, all the women is success mother.
It's true, but the way it was, the way it
It's
came
alright.
out, like I
The
feel
news,
maybe I,
the
the way
news
the
is
news
spread.
came, it was as if maybe I'm the one.
All right, thank you very much. This is the update to bring to you people. Stay blessed and stay good. Stay out of trouble because we may not tolerate the trouble if you bring it here. Please, what you can do for us is to please share, and please let people know we say no to child abandonment, child neglect, child abuse. Name them. Please don't do that. Say no to them, desist from them, and speak seriously against it. God bless you. Good evening once again, and see you tomorrow. Hi to Papa. They say your black is shining. All right, bye.